ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Today I will share some more exercises related to our eyes. I hope these exercises or yoga practices will energize your eyes and help to retain the energy of your eyes. Thank you. Eyes exercise should be performed one after the other in the sequence. The series should be practiced once early in the morning or once in the evening. Do not strain, as this will lead to fatigue and tiredness of the eyes. Exercise palming. Sit quiet and close the eyes. Rub the palms of the hand together until they become warm. Place the palms gently over the eyelids without any undue pressure. Feel the warmth and energy being transmitted from the hands into the eyes and the eye muscles relaxing. The eyes are being bathed in a soothing darkness. Remain in this position until the heat from the hands has been absorbed by the eyes. Then lower the hands, keeping the eye closed. Again rub the palms together until they become hot and place them over the closed eyes. Repeat this procedure at least 3 times. Benefit: palming relaxes and revitalizes the eyes muscles and stimulates the circulation of humors and liquid that run between the cornea and the lens of the eye, aiding the correction of defective vision. Second exercise, blinking. Sit with the eyes open. Blink the eyes 10 times quickly. Close the eyes and relax. Repeat the blinking 10 times quickly and then again close the eyes and relax. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Benefits: many people with defective eyesight blink irregularly and unnaturally. This is related to the state of habitual tension in the eyes. This exercise encourages the blinking reflex to become spontaneous, inducing relaxation of the eye muscles. Practice preliminary nasikagra drishti. Preliminary nose tip gazing. Sit in Sukhasana. Hold the right arm straight directly in front of nose. Make a fist with the right hand, keeping the thumb pointing upward. Focus both eyes on the tip of thumb. Bend the arm. Slowly bring the thumb to the nose tip, keeping the eye focused on the tip of the thumb. Remain for few seconds with the thumb held at the nose tip and eye focused there. Slowly straighten the arm, continuing to gaze at the thumb tip. Practice 10 rounds. Keep the head and spine straight throughout. Finally close and rest the eyes. Palming may be performed several times. Inhale as the thumb is drawn towards the nose. Exhale as the arm is straightened. Benefit: this exercise improves the accommodating and focusing power of the eye muscles. Next practice, sideways viewing. Just sit in Sukhasana. Raise your right arm. Keep it straight. Make a loose fist and point the thumb upward. Then slowly move your right arm towards right direction and then bring it back to the starting position. Now raise your left arm, move it slowly towards the left side and then again bring back it to the starting position. This will complete one round. Keep doing it. Practice at least 10 rounds. Benefit: sideways viewing relax the tension of the muscles strained by constant reading and close work. It also prevents and corrects squint. Next. Up and down viewing. Sit in Sukhasana. Keep the right arm straight. Slowly raise the right thumb while following the motion of the thumb with the eyes. Once the thumb is raised to the maximum, slowly return to the starting position, all the time keeping the eye focused on the thumb without moving the head. Repeat 10 times. Keep the head and spine straight throughout. Finally, close and rest the eyes. Palming may be performed several times. Inhale while raising the eyes. Exhale while lowering the eyes. Benefit: up and down viewing balance the upper and lower eyeball muscles. Rotational viewing. Sit in Sukhasana. Place the right hand downward. Make a circular movement with the right arm to the right, then upward, curving to the left, and finally returning to the starting position. Keep the eye focused on the thumb without moving the head. Perform 10 times clockwise with right hand and then 10 times anti-clockwise with left hand. Keep the head and spine straight throughout.
Finally, close and rest the eyes. Palming may be performed several times. Breathing, inhale while completing the upper arc of the circle. Exhale while completing the lower arc. Benefit: rotational viewing, improve the coordinated activities of all the eye muscles. Next.
शांति शांति शांति।